Well, you got this one, I got the white one. This should make for a pretty fun drive. Oh shoot. Well, 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 would you look at that? Looks like our new supercar just arrived. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So while I was editing this video, I realized I never filmed an intro, so I figured I'd go ahead and do that now. And while I was at it, I'd tell you about the new supercar, which just arrived off the transporter today. It is literally right here. I can't show you guys too much. I don't want to reveal it yet. You guys got to guess, you know, I got to give you some hints. I'm going to be dropping some hints on our Instagram at JR Garage. Follow us if you're not already. But the only hint you're going to get for this video is this 4-inch section of quarter panel. And if you can tell cars by their quarter panels and what this car is just by that, then you're a die-hard car guy. Then you may just win a prize. You know, comment down below. If you do guess it correctly, I'll be picking 2 or 3 winners for some free stickers, maybe a shirt, something like that, like we always do. So comment down below. But in other news, we got the budget Boxster exhaust. Finally, our good friends over at FabSpeed sent us out a very, very loud and aggressive setup for a Boxster. So stay tuned for next video. We are so excited to install this on the car. That's probably coming next video, and at some point we'll reveal this supercar. Not sure when, but a lot of good content is coming the next few videos, so stay tuned, subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and hop over back to LA and get into 3 Lamborghini Uruses, take over LA versus LAPD, a bunch of fun stuff going on, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, we made it out to RDBLA, which is stop number 1 on our crazy day today, which is going to involve not 1, not 2, but 3 wide body Uruses, Lamborghini Uruses. The only 3 in the world, you say?
The only 3 1016 wide body Uruses in the entire world are like right here.
Literally 1 back there, 1 right here, and 1 right there. And all 3 we're gonna be taking out to the Peterson Automotive Museum. We're gonna get some crazy content with them. But while we're here, we'll give you a quick little walk around. I mean, starting with this crazy Dawn that obviously had a front end collision. Not sure if it's gonna be fixable or totaled out, but that's pretty cool to see here. And then this Rolls-Royce, you're saying it's Khalid's car?
It's owned by Khalid, the music artist.
Whoa, okay, that's sweet. Dawn, GTR, Lamborghinis, Aventadors, just crazy things here all the time. Another Rolls-Royce in the back, S63. We got a crazy 720 over there. All right, Urus number 1, Kieran's driving the black one. So it's more of like a brushed titanium black.
Custom wrap by RDB.
Super cool wrap that RDB did. Rear screens, this interior.
Forged carbon from 1016, full interior package.
Yes.
And this is suede.
Oh, yes. By the way, guys, it is full 1016 kit. If I didn't mention already, they make wide body kits for all sorts of cars, but the Urus is definitely one of their coolest.
Yeah, look at this with the red steering wheel.
Full interior, everything is forged. Like, that didn't come like that from the factory, right? It was just a flat plastic
just
or
a
something.
black plastic.
Well, you got this one, I got the white one. This should make for a pretty fun drive. All right, time for the white one. Same thing, instead of forged carbon though, it's the standard weave carbon fiber, which, I don't know, comment down below. Would you guys rather have this carbon or the forged carbon? Tough call. I would take either. All right, in we go. Foot on the brake. Here we go. That's a nice rumble. 4-liter twin turbo V8. This is making a whole lot of power. First time driving an Urus. I hear they are 10 out of 10, but we are about to find out. Look at these seats, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right guys, and just like that, we made it to the Peterson Automotive Museum. So we're pulling into some sort of special spot where we're gonna get some really, really cool content with these 2 cars. So my 5-mile driving review, this car is incredibly smooth. Just very fast when you want it to be, of course, but we weren't pushing it at all because LA traffic, you can't really do anything. The seats are awesome. They feel great. They have, of course, cooled seats. I mean, just look at all the functions. I only hit a few buttons, but look, there's like hundreds of things you can do on this car. 360 cams, this and that, like all this stuff that I have no idea what it is because I'm not familiar with this stuff in my Lamborghinis. You know, the older, just a few years ago, Lambo tech was way behind the competition. So now they've really taken a big leap forward, incorporating a lot of the Audi technology that you see in like the Q8, a lot of stuff like that, but take you to the next level with the Lamborghini Urus. So very impressive overall, like speed limit signs they tell you, all the boost gauges, just all this new stuff that I've never seen a Lamborghini before. So that's pretty cool. All right, so Kieran is back in the car. How's driving the black one?
What's going on? Yeah, so we just put the black Urus up into the photo shoot area. I'll show you guys a photo. It's crazy up there.
You literally went up an elevator.
It's a car. It's a car.
Oh,
elevator.
what the heck?
That's what it looks like up there. This is unedited, obviously. I just took this on my iPhone. So now we're taking this Urus over to a place to get some photos while that one's up there because you can only fit one car at a time. But when I was driving the black one, I just noticed how this is one of the best infotainment systems in any car that I've ever been in.
Right? Yeah, I was just telling them. And the haptic feedback, listen. It's so cool. It's like
an iPhone.
Yeah, it's like the screen. iPhone home button on the iPhone 7 or whatever. But okay, you know what to mess around with here?
Yeah,
I have no idea what I'm doing.
These are all the different, like we can lower the car here, we can raise it here.
Oh yeah, snap, there it is going down.
Ooh yeah. And then this is super interesting, the anima settings, all the different settings that you can be in. And then here's the ego setting, like where you can customize everything yourself.
If you have a big ego, you hit this and then you go really fast.
Just insane.
And you get different keys, by the way. No longer do you get a Volkswagen flip out key like on the Gallardo. So yeah, pretty cool. Nice feel to it.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, it tells you what degree. We're at a 5-degree bank, which is about right. As you can see, we're just slightly leaning over. Oh, it tells you your exact heading, elevation. What are we in, like some airplane? This is so cool.
Like, this car was designed to be off-road, but I don't think this wide body one is going to be doing much off-roading. We'll see.
Yeah, you never know. So yeah, I was asking them to comment down below, standard weave carbon or forged carbon? Definitely let us know in the comment section down below. Which would you take?
I love the forged. I love and
yeah.
You guys know I love my red interiors too. Like red interior is the way to go. So the suede red on that one with the forged is.
But this interior, the white on white, I love this. I don't think you really go wrong. But I think I'd take the weave carbon. I guess forged is cool, makes you a little different, but something about this just is so.
Also, there's just casually a Urus wheel in the back seat here.
So we just put in a Corsa and you can hear the valves open. Oh my. Wow.
And you can see like the torque.
I am thoroughly impressed. Newton meters, that's wild. Alrighty, I'm in love. I want one. Comment down below, do we need to trade in the Model X? Hey, our Model X has the exact same white interior, so a lot of similarities here. All right, the third Urus just rolled up, Vik's car. So we got 1, 2, 3 ABC now. The 2 white ones we're doing a shoot with Bash right now. And then back to the Peterson Automotive Museum where the third one is, the black one. Behind the scenes of Bash going to work with his gimbal setup. He is about to kill this video. If it's done by the time this video goes live, then I will put it in. If not, you gotta stay tuned to the 1016 Instagram page and it'll be live there.
1 hour later.
Perfect timing, just rolled back up. The black car just got out of the chute and now we go in to the giant elevator. That's a little nerve-wracking. Oh boy, not my car, $300,000 car. This is a first, going up an elevator in an Urus. Okay, here we go. Start it back up. What is life? Jeez, so nerve-wracking. So from the photo spot, 100 steps away is the museum. I've never been here. This is definitely a must go-to spot if you're in LA and you like cars. Oh, that's so cool. The whole engine disassembled up in air.
This is a real RollsRoyce that was found in
the round door Rolls.
1925.
Yo, what? It is a round door. Look at it. That was it, just sitting abandoned. Wow, super cool. I wish I could show you more, but we kind of got to go shoot the black Urus now. But Urus number 3. So what do you guys think? I told you to comment down below. This is the forged carbon interior. Super cool finish, and you could not get this from the factory. 1016 is the only way to go. Everything will be linked down below as always. Let's get a little sound clip of the exhaust. That was nothing, but it still sounds amazing. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna try to get some drone shots with this car, so fingers crossed security doesn't get too mad. Once again, Bash risking his life, playing Frogger across 5 lanes of traffic to get this slow-mo shot of the Urus. All right, here he goes. He found an opening. He's walking across all these lanes of traffic. No way, will he pull it off? A car is coming. More cars are coming. You got it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Dedication. All right guys, update. We got all 3 Uruses up here on the roof of the Peterson Automotive Museum. Like, look, literally buildings, 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 buildings. We are on the rooftop. It can support all this weight, I guess. And a pretty sweet photo shoot is about to commence with Ted and Bash. I'm gonna try to grab some clips too once they're done, so I'm not in their way. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into a little cinematic goodness of the only 3 wide body 1016 Uruses in the world. Let's go. All right guys, there you have it. All 3 cars going back down to ground level. The 2 white ones, the black one. So what do you guys think about the wrap? It's a satin white, but they did a brushed finish on it, which they had to do. You couldn't buy it like this. So definitely one of a kind wrap. I think it looks really, really cool. But would you rather have the wrap, or do you just want the white paint? So comment down below, white wrap, white paint, and forged carbon, or standard weave carbon? That's the question. Comment down below. Oh shoot. Oh crap.
Well, this guy's in the middle of the street waiting.
Well, that's the end of that. Alright guys, multiple cops are here now. They are not happy. Shoot. I think Vic's telling us just to go to the shop and just get out of here. I don't know if like he's gonna deal with it. All right, go, 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 go.
Yeah, we're going.
Shoot. All right, I think we're leaving, but Vic may have to stay if the cops, to deal with the cops. Good, good, good.
Yeah, you're good to go.
Oh shoot. Okay, so we are. All right, my camera battery just died, but Kieran and I are leaving now. Vic just told us to go back to the shop. He has to stay there with the cops. This is not good. Didn't plan this, but I guess someone probably just called the cops because we were making so many passes and I don't know, 3 loud Lamborghinis, like that's kind of what you expect. I guess we should have left before that happened. Should have just quit while we were ahead, but now we gotta deal with this. This is not good, but when we get back to the shop, I guess we'll talk with Vic, see what's going on. Oh no, this is such a bad way to end what was going to be an amazing day. All right, just made it back. Look who it is 20 minutes later. Vic, he did not get his car impounded, even though he called us saying, I just got arrested and my car impounded, and we believed it.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, he's gonna unlock the gate. We're gonna put these two bad boys away. That's enough for one night. I'm ready to just go eat dinner and go hide in our hotel and be done. All right, Vic, what happened? We left off, cops pulling up.
Well, cops showed up. I got off with a warning and a license plate ticket, and everybody's safe, so
That's
we're
it.
good.
Just the warning. All right, bet. Perfect. Well, that's enough excitement for one night. All right, sorry for the iPhone quality, but that's it for the day. What a crazy video. 3 wide body Uruses. What was your favorite? Comment down below. You got to pick which was your favorite of the 3.
I like Vik's because it's the most customized. It has the most parts on it. It's got the custom, like, it's got 24-inch wheels.
Yeah, 24
It's got
is the
custom
instead.
tires imported from Europe. It's got the red interior. It's got all the stuff.
True,
That's
true.
my favorite by far.
I like the one with
But-
the white interior the most, but let us know what you guys think. Or do you guys like the black one with the red interior? I don't know. They're all super cool no matter what. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out from RDBLA. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Say that it feels right.